Hi guys, welcome back to Bride Society. Today all you're going to need is a paper napkin. Mine's 19 centimeters squared. You probably don't want to go any smaller than that. So first of all you just need to open it out like so. Then you're going to fold it up from the bottom to the top. And then you're just going to fold it up again towards the top. And then make that crease line. Okay. Next, you're going to take that right top hand corner and fold it down from the center. And again, just make that crease line and do the same on the other side. So next up, we're going to take the bottom right hand corner and fold it towards the middle. And the same on the other side. So now you've got this sort of square shape. Now I'm going to take this left hand corner and again move it towards the middle so that it lines up down the center fold, and again just hold the crease, and the same on the other side. Mine's not going to be very cooperative. There we go. Okay, so now I've got this kite shape. We're going to flip that over, holding everything in place, and we're going to take the top of that kite where the crease line is and fold it down again towards the center, so just the top part of the kite. And after that you're going to flip it back over, trying to hold everything in place if you can. Okay, and from here this bit takes a little bit of negotiation. So just bear with it, but you just need to pick it up and take the right hand side and in a loop try and fold it round the left hand side. So you're looking to fold it into that crease and just slide it in. It will hold itself once you find that sort of sweet spot. And just give it a bit of a jiggle. This will stand up on its own as well. Once you find it. There we go. And there you have it. So you just need to now open out the ears on each side. And if you want to just do the bunny tail a bit more pronounced too. So there you have it. These are great for your Easter table, or if you're having a wedding at spring Easter time. They're a really cute idea. If you like this video and found it helpful, please give us a like, remember to hit subscribe, and if you've got any other video requests, please comment below.